It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday evening, September 8th. I'm James Spann. The weather pretty wet at times for the rest of the week, but the weekend trending drier and noticeably cooler by Sunday. How about that? And the tropics, always something to watch this time of the year, so let's dive in and take a look. There's an upper low that is drifting across the northern Gulf of Mexico, helping to pull in deeper moisture into the state this afternoon. We also note in that image off in the distance in the Pacific, you can see Hurricane Linda that's now a Category 3 hurricane in the eastern Pacific. That will weaken and dissipate with time, but high-level moisture from that is coming all the way up into the Great Lakes of the United States. Quite a tropical connection there. That was the radar at 2:31. You can see a number of showers in progress. These are tropical rain showers, hardly any thunder and lightning. Those are moving to the northwest. And we'll see those at times every day through Friday. Temperatures are in the 80s, Birmingham 83. And again, we wonder if we have seen the last 90 of the year. Not promising that, but it's very possible. On the watch warning map, pretty quiet. Some active weather up north. In fact, just after I grabbed this image, there's a tornado warning for a county up in Michigan. And also back in Southern California, those are flash flood watches around Los Angeles and San Diego. A risk of severe weather, a marginal risk for the rest of today and tonight from near Lubbock, Texas to Detroit, Michigan. That would include St. Louis and Chicago. And then tomorrow, no organized severe weather expected. A lot of green around the nation. That means thunderstorms are expected, but again, no organized severe weather. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. Amounts about 1 to 1.5 inches here. And again, after Friday, we think the weather starts to trend drier. And we'll talk college football weather here in just a minute. Be more specific. Tropical weather, there's a disturbance in the middle of the Atlantic that is east of Bermuda that might make an attempt to become a bit more organized, but that will merge with a frontal system and move north up into the open North Atlantic. No threat to land. A little impulse over the northeastern Gulf. That will not develop. That is mainly an upper system. And Grace has been downgraded to a tropical depression. That will likely dissipate within the next 24 hours, well before reaching the Leeward Islands. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time, troughing west of the state. Moisture is fairly deep. That means scattered to numerous showers and storms with a high in the mid-80s in most spots. Same thing Thursday. Showers and thunderstorms are likely. Some spots might stay in the 70s all day where the showers begin early enough. And same thing on Friday. A front approaching from the north. So a few showers and storms, a good possibility with low 80s. And while the better chance of showers and storms will come during the afternoon and evening hours, we cannot rule out the chance of a late night or a morning shower in a pattern like this. And wow, look at the trough on Saturday as the weekend begins. Very deep. That's going to push a cold front down through here. Now, the GFS continues to be slow with this front. This is Saturday at 1 o'clock. It's got the front near Muscle Shoals. However, the European has the front below Montgomery Saturday evening. And we think the European is the better solution based on that strong upper trough. So we're going to go ahead and back off on the chance of showers Saturday afternoon for the northern half of the state and basically go dry. The better chance of showers down south. This bodes well for the Alabama game in Tuscaloosa that kicks off at 3 o'clock. At the moment, it looks like the showers should be over by kickoff time. For the Auburn game, that's an early start. There could be a few showers, mainly during the first half of the game. And again, we might have to adjust those forecasts as the games get closer. And then Sunday, hey, it's going to feel good. Sunday morning, how about double nickels? The GFS has got us down in the mid-50s. The high Sunday only in the 70s, a fresh north breeze. Goodness, it's going to feel nice. And Monday, just as nice. Monday morning, we could see 40s in the colder pockets over North Alabama. Yeah, buddy. And the high Monday would be around 80. The humidity stays low, just a great day. And here's Tuesday. The trough is lifted out. We now have a big trough in the western states, and we still look to be dry. Here's the end of the forecast, the end of next week, Friday, September 18th. Look at the trough in the western states. Goodness. That could bring some snow perhaps down into parts of the northern Rockies. And around here, that looks dry with a 1024 high nosing in from the northeast. And we have to show you the European. This is one run, and we're not saying this is going to happen. It's got a very strong tropical storm, if not a hurricane, south of Morgan City, Louisiana on Friday, September 18th. This will probably vanish on the next run, but if we see anything, it's going to be close in like that. Obviously, the deep tropics are not working this year in the Atlantic basin. So something like that could happen, but again, this is just one run. Don't share it. Don't tell people we're forecasting hurricanes. We're not. It's just an idea that we'll keep an eye on. Temperatures for the next 15 days. Yeah, look at those numbers dropping down toward 55 Sunday and Monday morning. The high Sunday at 76. That'll be nice. And next week, not too bad. 80s during the day, low 80s, and 60s at night. Pretty comfortable. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.